In Nature Along the Lake, nature is truly our classroom, and winter has a lot to teach us. We've learned science vocabulary words about migration and adaptation and hibernation, and we can also learn from winter and nature how to approach these very difficult times we've been living in. COVID-19 has turned our world upside down, and we've all needed a little bit of extra care for our mental health. Children, teachers, parents, grandparents, we've all needed extra support to get through these difficult times. So let's look at some affirmations or words of encouragement that we can say to ourselves inspired by winter. So I am going to say an affirmation and you can repeat after me. The first one: my challenges help me grow. My challenges help me grow. Just like in winter, all the challenges of survival, it helps animals, plants, birds to grow and to get through to the next season. My challenges help me grow. Let's share another affirmation inspired by nature. This one is, I have everything I need. I have everything I need. Just like the fish who sink to the bottom of the lake to stay warm and they decrease their needs for oxygen and food, they have everything they need to get by, even though it's just a little. I have everything I need right now. Our next affirmation: good things are going to come to me. Good things are going to come to me. Just like our chipmunks who are hiding under the ground, hibernating, waiting for spring to arrive, they trust that good things are going to come. Even though they don't have a lot of food and they don't know exactly when they're going to reappear for the spring, they trust. Good things are going to come to me. Our last affirmation inspired by the winter might be the most important one of all. It's okay to slow down and rest. It's okay to slow down and rest. That is one of the most important lessons winter teaches us, and even COVID-19 has taught us. It's okay to slow down and rest.